being marksman. I really do. And they're already getting into it. As soon as you see somebody in your scope, push back. This is a good spot right here. Shit. Oh, I knew it. Oh, shit. Woo. Okay. That wasn't fun. Don't be afraid to just inch out. Damn, I don't know if I helped catch that one or not. Punk ass one keeps shooting at us. Oh yeah, I don't need it.
Let's do this.
I do want to do this though, only if I got hit by those bullets. You want to go ahead and just do that just in case for your health. Nobody's taking my spot. Oh, come on, dude. Like,
Fuck! Someone's down! Hunter, drop your weapon!
gotcha. Gotcha. Smooth. Smooth and precise. No, if you hear that, oh crap, okay, that's explosive rounds. They're usually smoke rounds, but they decided just to go ahead and do all the artillery. Alright. Somebody else got that guy. Okay, that's a little too close. I didn't realize how stupid I was being. Haven't used any incendiaries, no flashes, so we're just going to pick up some ammo. Damn, he did hit me. Get back, bitch. Ready to move in. Woo. Okay, now I'm ready to move in.
I'm a Charlie, guys! Alright, taking Charlie! We are capturing Charlie!
I think we're gonna have people coming up this way. Yep. Oh shit! Get away from that fire, dude. Get away from that fire, dude. Bro, I'm surprised he isn't dying. Holy shit.
Got Charlie. Hey, clear. Cover me. I'm reloading.
Wow, it doesn't give you pistol ammo when you pick up that box. I thought it did. I think I heard somebody coming up behind us. Is that one of our guys? It's kind of confusing. Your teammates sometimes will sound like them. I don't want that to sound racist or anything like that, but I mean, it's just the majority of the way that they sound is like, you know, like they're from there. And sometimes you have people on your team that sound just like from there. So it's kind of confusing sometimes. Okay, why am I getting so much shots towards me? Everybody's over there. Wow, I'm getting some major lag. It happens sometimes with this game. Oh shit. Dude, I don't understand. You should, oh my god, you shoot somebody at that range in the chest like it's one hit. Oh my god, thank you. At least I died at a pretty good time. I didn't have to wait too long to get back in. Okay, you're not getting me again, buddy. Alright, we got ammo. Oh, that's horrible. I'm really not used to this right yet. I really like using it. It's a lot of fun using it. It's very effective. But it's just, it does take some getting used to. Oop. Watch out. Oh my god. Man, you really have to get that finesse on that right thumb, man. It's kind of brutal, actually.
New man again. Get over there.
You guys, did you see that? Did you see that? That is not normal. Oh my god. Dude, they really don't like me. They really don't like me. Die, bitch. You wanted it? You wanted it? Come on. What's up? Come on. Come on. Come on. I know you're around here somewhere.
I need a sec.
And watch out, y'all, because I swear to God, dude, they really will come up behind you and mess you up. Again, I'm using this because I don't know if I got hit or not. It doesn't really have health bars, stuff like that. Just a little bit more milsim than arcade. And no, I'm not saying it's a milsim. It's just, it's more milsim-ish. Ooh, that wasn't good. Fucker. Huh? You like that shit now? Was it worth it, buddy? Huh? Was it?
Hold on.
Oh, they're charging it. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Okay, we're good. 30 meters. 30 meters should be enough. See how it says attacked teammate? He didn't really attack him. It's just, ooh, that's probably not good to run into. Oh, there we go. Gunfire.
What are you doing? You woke up.
Oh, I was taking a chance. Just trying to get out of there, man. Nobody's communicating with each other. Like, and dude, they're already on the objective. Holy shit. This sounds like home. Hopefully it sounds better. It probably won't. You never know. You never know. Alright. Back in. Oh shit! Okay. Oh god dang it. Oh! Let me in! Let me in! Die. Dude, move. It'll at least stop them slowing down. But that shit right there is really horrible. Ooh. Shit. Bitch.
Give me an objective. We got guys on the point. Go do it. New magazine. Reloading. They're coming in. Enemy on objective.
Oh shit.
They're coming in. Frag out.
Come over here, come over here, come over here. Oh shit! It's out of bullets. Shut up.
Running dry here.
Shit! Trying to hit him. Stay calm. Stay calm.
Loading.
Ooh. Okay, we're still good.
Oh, let me load. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, all right, we're good. Hey, are we
Good
good?
shit, everybody. Woo! Most effective kills 23. Yes, sir. 34 kills, 3 assists, 2 deaths. 3 objectives. Damn. Well, we did have a lot of ones where they had to explode. So, can't be a part of all of it. Yes, sir. Man, that's a good team going.